Mick Jagger, born Michael Philip Jagger on July 26, 1943, in Dartford, England, is an iconic rock musician whose career has left an indelible mark on the music industry. Jagger grew up in a working-class family and developed an early passion for music, heavily influenced by American blues and rock and roll. He met Keith Richards at school, and together they formed the Rolling Stones, a band that would go on to become one of the most influential and successful rock acts in history. The Rolling Stones released their debut single in 1964, and Jagger's charismatic stage presence and distinctive voice quickly made him the focal point of the band's dynamic performances. Their 1965 hit, Satisfaction, became an anthem of the era, and the success of subsequent albums, like Out of Our Heads and Sticky Fingers, established the Rolling Stones as rock legends. Jagger's role as the frontman of the band, with his energetic performances and captivating persona, was central to their success. Despite their triumphs, Jagger's career faced numerous challenges. The band experienced internal conflicts, and Jagger's turbulent personal life, including high-profile relationships and legal issues, sometimes overshadowed his professional achievements. Additionally, the band's rebellious image and provocative performances often stirred controversy. Yet, through these ups and downs, Jagger's resilience and dedication to his craft shone through. One of the main triumphs of Jagger's career came in the 1970s and 1980s with the release of albums like Exile on Main Street and Tattoo You, which were critically acclaimed and commercially successful. His role in the Rolling Stones' continued success through decades of changing musical landscapes demonstrated his ability to adapt and thrive in the industry. Another significant triumph was the band's 2012 concert tour, which celebrated their 50th anniversary. This tour was a testament to Jagger's enduring appeal and the band's legendary status, proving that they could still captivate audiences after 5 decades. Thank you for watching the video. You have heard the story of a legendary man who will forever remain in our memory. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss new videos.